Eternal Father, bless our land. Guard us with thy mighty hand. Keep us free from evil powers. Be our light through these dark hours. Since this time, I can't sleep good. Not just because I lose a few shingles and the roof will leak bad when the rain come down, but because of the suffering happening on the western side of the island. I've been through it before, so I know exactly how the people them feel right now, trust me. You see, when my first hear say them lock in and nobody can reach them, my first thought was to just grab a machete, call a couple friends and just join the effort to try and clear the way somehow, is it? Teach us through respect for all, stir response to duty's call. Strengthen us, the weak to cherish, give us vision lest we perish. You see, the first brethren I talk to, he must say, right now we not gonna make no difference. I better we wait until the government clear the way. But I lay down in my bed after that phone call and I feel amazed if I really can make a difference. And you see by morning, the images just are coming more and more. Road gone, no light, no food, no water, no internet. And I remember what it felt like to be trapped without food or water for days. So I said to myself, I have to go. I called a few friends and I shared the plan. And one of them respond, she tell me she was up the whole night thinking the same thing. So we start gather a few things. I drop a message in one of the WhatsApp group and I ask who want to join the trad. Only one brethren respond favorably. Say I'm going to get ice some water. Couple more friends from my childhood days chip in with whatever them could, even though them themselves have got through their own struggles and them have other missions that they want to support. So we give thanks to every little thing because every mickle make a muckle, every little count. The day we move out, I pick up my friend in a Portmore and she brings some other people with her with them own supplies ready to help. But my phone start blow up, call after call, message after message. Don't go, it dangerous, people get robbed, the road bad. Give it to charity. But I nah lie, my spirit, my soul just say go. And I'm glad I did. Because we definitely made a difference. You see, a lot of the organizations go one place and wait for the people to come to them, but realize enough people can't reach them. There's no communication, no transport. Them just dead in them community, destitute, desperate, and desolate. So we drive through the entire parish, meeting people right where them there. Jamaica, believe me, the situation far worse than you can imagine. Western Jamaica suffering bad. People are dead for hunger and thirst, literally. Some of them walk with cardboard signs begging for food and water. Yet me tell you, you're going to meet some of the kindest souls you'll ever find. People who just fight for live. As me there I record this at 3:59 a.m. I know say plenty people, including children, still a try sleeping at the rain down at St. Elizabeth. I see it with my own eyes. Jamaica, Western Jamaica need we. Them need us. What me see out there na normal. Trees and light pole snap like a matchy stick. The place look burn out like bomb drop. Boat they up in a tree top far from the sea. Sea sand pile up in a people yard. Car mash up to bits. House, board or concrete flatten same way. Me even see one big steel thing look like a market, twist up like paper. The look on the people face tell everything. Them not even care, so them don't even have clothes, them just want hope. Plenty communities say them never see nobody yet, no government, no aid, no help. And I tell you, them are good people, them deserve better. Don't let the ones on the keyboard stop you from helping. Them talk like them have all the answers, but them never step foot out there. Jamaica, the people are going to need our strength for a long time to come. And yes, in the darkness, some wickedness are going. Women and children are suffer too. When we see places like Sudan, Congo, Haiti, Burkina Faso, Haiti, on the news, I write songs for raise awareness, you know. Always wish me could have helped in person, but no, Jamaica, the struggle there, right here, so, right at your foot. We have a humanitarian crisis in our own yard. So I beg you, have some heart, have compassion, help your brother, help your sister. I'm making a pledge. Anytime I can gather resources, I go hit the road again because it's not done yet, it's not stopped yet. And I want to just remind everyone of our national pledge. Before God and all mankind, I pledge the love and loyalty of my heart, the wisdom and courage of my mind, the strength and vigor of my body in the service of my fellow citizens. I promise to stand up for justice, brotherhood, and peace, to work diligently and creatively, to think generously and honestly, so that Jamaica may, under God, increase in beauty, fellowship, and prosperity, and play her part in the advancing the welfare of the whole human race. Jamaica, now is the time we could live out them words there.